In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook to Yahoo Mail. Even though full syncing is no longer available, you can still use your Yahoo address as a contact on Facebook. Start by opening Facebook. Use your usual browser or the Facebook app, whichever you prefer. Once it loads, you should see your news feed with posts from friends, pages, and groups, along with the top bar that shows your profile picture on the right side. Now click your profile picture. It is usually in the upper right corner on desktop or in the bottom right on mobile. When you click it, a small menu opens beneath it, showing options like settings and privacy, help, and log out, so you know you tapped the right spot. From this menu, select settings and privacy. After you click it, the section expands into more choices, such as settings and a few tools related to your Facebook information. This area is where Facebook stores everything related to your account details and preferences. Next, click Settings. Facebook will open a new page or screen with a list of options on the left side or across the top. You will see sections like Privacy, Security, and Account Center. This is the control panel for how your account works behind the scenes. From there, go to Account Center. This may appear under a heading like Meta Account Center. When you open it, you will see your profile picture again, your name, and sections for personal details, password and security, and other connected experiences. Account Center controls details that can apply across Facebook and other Meta apps. Now select Personal Details. Once you choose it, a new screen appears focused on your basic account information. Here you might see options for your name, birthday, and contact info. If you ever change email addresses later, this is the same place you will come back to. Next, click Contact Info. This page shows the email addresses and phone numbers currently linked to your Facebook account. If you have only one email, it will appear here along with labels such as primary. This list tells Facebook how to reach you and where to send security alerts. Now choose Add Email Address. A prompt or small window appears asking for the new email you want to add. Facebook keeps existing addresses in place, so adding a Yahoo address here will not remove your current one unless you change that later. Enter your Yahoo Mail address, type it carefully, including everything before and after the word Yahoo, and make sure there are no spaces. A common beginner mistake is a small typo, which prevents the confirmation email from arriving in Yahoo Mail. Click Next. Facebook now sends a confirmation code to the Yahoo inbox you just entered. You should also see the screen change so there is a box ready for you to enter that code. Then enter the confirmation code sent to Yahoo Mail. Open your Yahoo Mail in another tab or app. Find the email from Facebook and type the code exactly as shown. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder, since confirmation messages sometimes land there. Finally, click Confirm. Once you do that, Facebook accepts the code and links your Yahoo Mail address to your Facebook account, and you should see it listed under your contact info. You have now connected your Yahoo Mail address to Facebook as a verified contact, so please give this video a quick thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you want more guides like this.